How to log in into Google Workspace. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will see how we can log in into Google Workspace. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and there type in Google Workspace login. After that, in order to log in, simply head towards the first link that says sign in. Then you will land on this page. Here it says sign in with an administrator account. So if this is your account, you can simply continue with that. If not, click on use another account. Now here you have to enter your workplace email. Enter your Google Workspace email, that is your name @yourcompany.com. After that, click on next. Then enter the password associated with the account. Once done, simply click on sign in and with that you will be logged into a Google Workspace where you can access Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Meet and other workspace application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.